So we did our middle school suite, we call it Odyssey, here at Solvit Academy. And we were taking a older space, an office space that was divided into like smaller offices and turning it into a space that made sense for kind of an open air, movable furniture and flexible seating space for our middle schoolers. So we were kind of taking an outdated office space into a 21st century school space that worked for our older learners. So it was really critical to our school to be able to offer an education to our middle schoolers. So we had learners that were finishing up their elementary work, and so for us it was critical that we had a space for them and that it met their needs. So they're getting a lot more independent, they want a lot of autonomy in their studio, so the planning behind it became how do we offer them a space that works for their age and stage. Staff and all the learners love the new middle school space. They got to be a part of the renovation project, and so they really felt invested into the space. They've got their signatures on the wall over by the bathroom, and so they feel really a part of this space and really have made it their own. For the middle schoolers, it was really important to give them space that was flexible. So we have flexible seating out there, and actually some suggestions from Paul Risk really came into play. They suggested doing a corkboard wall, and so they use that to communicate with each other and post important events. They have a dry erase wall in their discussion room so they can put their brainstorming ideas up, and they really are just able to make it their own, and they're able to run their studio by using the space and the little details that were put in to make this really a better space for older learners that had more autonomy. So with our learners aging, we know that we're going to have to offer a high school option. So we're hoping that we can get more space in this building. We love it. We love being in the heart of Lancaster City. So we'll have more of an old building to renovate, and so we're kind of looking ahead in the next couple of years to how we can offer our high schoolers a space. So we're really excited about that and how we can make it unique for their age.